Hi, in this tutorial, we'll be covering the Operational Daybook. The IntelliEvent Operational Daybook acts as a summary of activities for a given time period. It allows for a granular level of data type filtering, allowing users to view jobs, POs, logistics, and transfers all in the one location. These can be further filtered and ultimately printed using a variety of print options. Or the page can simply be used as a checklist style status report using the Daybook Status column and the project manager and lead columns. Setup for this page is fairly minimal. If we navigate to management system options, the labor section, and go to talent definitions, we need to either create or ensure that we have a talent definition with the code lead and the code PMGR. These are hard-coded names that tie back into the Daybook report's project manager and lead column. So if we double click one of these, we can see a list of users that have had that particular talent assigned to them. On the Daybook, we have a variety of filters that are available to us. We can narrow down the begin and end date, filter by office, job type. If we're looking at something specific like POs, we have PO department. We have job status. There are a lot of filter options to narrow down our data. We do also have the option to add more information. So if we want to view transfers and logistics items, we can check these and do another search, and it will actually pull in transfers, outgoing, incoming, and we can assign these to project managers if we want, or just keep track of the status using our Daybook status here. Ultimately, once we've narrowed down the information in the Daybook or made some selections, we can print using this Daybook list. There are a number of different documents, equipment list, activity lists, POs. We can spit it into Excel if we want. Underneath that, we have job docs. This is pretty cool. It's a shortcut to the batch print, basically. So if we wanted to narrow down job activities for a given day or date span, we could select invoice, pull sheet documents, and batch print them directly from this page rather than the batch print tool that has its own dedicated page. The Daybook status column on the left-hand side is interesting in that it's a status dropdown that saves strictly on the Daybook itself. It's similar to the project manager and lead dropdown over here. If I were to select a project manager for a particular row on the Daybook and adjust the status, it just impacts the Daybook. But if I were to ever load results that pull in this subset of information, our project manager and the status shift will perpetuate through those future searches. So if I come back in a couple weeks and pull up the same information or similar information, this is still the project manager and this is still the Daybook status. So it can be useful from a management standpoint. If you assign project managers and leads to the different activities, they could actually come to this report and look at the activities that are assigned to them and give status updates on the left-hand side.